Hi guys, I'm really excited today to be able to give you an overview and show you step by step on how you can set up your accounts for Ms. AI 2.0. No, we're not ready to launch yet, but we're very, very close. So I thought I'll give you this overview so you can be looking at this and then you'll learn how to update the members area to have your account ready for trading when we advise you that we're ready. Very close, very, very close. So I'd really first like to thank you for your patience. I've said a few times that the wait is definitely going to be worth it, as you will soon see with the results, as you saw with the results last week and so forth, and the extra flexibility and so on that you're going to have with your trading. Now, please don't do anything in the members area at the moment. If you go in there and increase your lot sizes or add a broker or do any of that, it's all going to be wiped out when we go to launch 2.0. So just sit on your hands. All right, just hang in there, watch the videos that I release to you, read the news that I release to you, and get ready for some exciting trading really soon. So again, just don't touch anything in the members area, please, because whatever you're going to do is going to get zeroed out, and we'll let you know when that is. And when that's been done, you'll then need to log into your account, just like what you're seeing here now. And how it all works, this is just an overview of it. We're going to have step-by-step videos on each element, but if we take a look now at the Aussie dollar. So this is the control panel. That will normally be stretched out on one line. It's just I've minimized this screen a bit. Let me see if I can adjust it. There we go, that's better. I've maximized it more, I should say, not minimized. So you have a control panel for each currency pair. We only trade one currency pair per MT4 account. I've done another video. You can look on the Facebook group and look at the video and so on there that I've done that's explained why we only do that. And it's also in the knowledge base. Let me just show you that quickly now so I don't forget to show it to you. So if we go to our knowledge base, and that's instantforexresults.com/KB. Just remember K for knowledge and B for base. So instantforexresults.com/KB. There'll be a link to this from the members area too shortly. It's not there right now. So if you go there, have a look, you'll see a lot of new information that's in here now. Current results over here, how to choose which currency pair to trade. So if you click on that, it'll then load up a video and you'll be able to watch that. I have both buy and sell orders open at the same time. What does all that mean? Okay, click here to learn more on that. Can I trade more than one currency pair in one trading account? No, you can't. If you click on this, you'll be able to watch my video explaining why you can't. Then we've got more information down here. How can I add a broker to my account? How do I add or remove currency pairs from my account? How I can increase the amount of lots that I trade or decrease them as well. More information about withdrawing profits and more is going to come on here as well shortly. Okay, so then we also have information here about the wallet, about your commissions, how to change your PayPal address and so forth. So have a look at that. instantforexresults.com/KB. K for knowledge, B for base. So let's go back to the members area again. So I'll just go back here to show you through what we're doing. I'm jumping all over the place a bit here because this is not a full-on presentation. It's just to be able to give you an overview of what we've been doing and how it works to keep you excited for our new launch of 2.0 really soon. So we go to the Aussie dollar again. Okay, read the information on the top. Same as before, you have to open up your brokerage account through our link. This explains why. So then we scroll down here and we can see here that I have IC markets. You would have a add broker button down here if you haven't got that broker added to your account. So here we can see I've got IC markets added because the add broker button is not there. Have Zorro trade added. And I have secret broker added and the logo will be appearing there soon. Just another little tweak that we need to make here. So this will tell you the details of the broker, the settings that you need, and click on the broker's icon then a new window will open, and that'll automatically have our link tag to it, our broker ID in here as well. And then when you add your broker, it'll have all the account details here. Now, of course, this isn't correct because this is just a dummy account for this demo for you today. But if I went to add a broker, now remember, this is adding a broker to enable you to trade the Aussie dollar. So if you follow through and do this for the Aussie dollar, and then you decide that you also want to trade the Japanese yen as an example, well, then you do the same for the Japanese yen, because what this does is this adds a brokerage account for that one currency pair, because that one currency pair has to have a separate MT4 to trade with. So to add a broker, you click on the button and just follow the steps. Warning, do not activate your brokerage account until after you have funded it. Okay, do not do this until you have funded your account. So you click on the logo on the left, opens up a new window, open up your brokerage account, follow the instructions, fund the account. When the account is funded, you then come in here and add the broker. So yes, I've funded my brokerage account, and click here to submit the details. Okay, enter your account details. I'm putting any dummy info in here just for today's demo. Make sure this is correct, because whatever information you put in here is the information that we will use to set up your account. Read the warnings and so forth on here. Now we continue. Now this is something new that we've had now. We've integrated the two steps. Before you had to open up your brokerage account, then you go and add the lots. Now you can do it all in one hit. And the same for new people. Before there was the restriction of only $500 for your first week, and then you can increase your lot sizes after that. That's not mandatory now. We haven't programmed that into 2.0, but we do ask that you do start your account just with $500 to start off with. Then when you are comfortable with our system, then go and increase your lots from there. But what you can do here, when you've added a broker, all right, you can choose however many lots that you wish to trade with for that broker on that one currency pair. So we chose Trader's Way, and then we for the Australian dollar. So if I selected 3, it's going to trade 0.03 lots. So I need $1,500 in my Trader's Way account. So yes, I've got that. So I'm going to click continue. Another reminder for you. The total that you will be trading is 0.03 lots. Now, if this was a lot increase, well, then it would tell you what the total lots were, your previous lots plus new ones, right? Now, forget all of what you had in there before. This is starting from fresh now. So when you do it now, or not now, when we advise you that 2.0 is ready for you to go and set up your accounts, it'll have your accounts as being 0 lots to start with. Then you just select on here how many you want. So you need 3 by $500 is $1,500 in your trading account. I agree that I have funded my account with $1,500. Guys, if you go and choose 0.03 lots and you only have 500 in your account, it's going to be trading 3 times the amount that it should be trading. That's really going to blow out the risk and a high probability of blowing out your account. So please follow along the guidelines that we provide you with. So yes, done all that. Okay, here is something new that we can see now. The fee for adding a new broker is only $47 now. Before it was $97, now it's been reduced down to only $47. Now for the new traders that are looking at this, when you set up your first brokerage account, there is no charge. So your account has already been flagged as being a new account. All right, so when every new client who joins, it includes one brokerage account for one currency pair when you first set up your account. So you just read all these. I'm not going to go through all these now. All right, you've got to agree to everything here and then proceed to checkout. Now, on our checkout, we can see here that my wallet, my IFR wallet, has a balance in there. Okay, so if you have a balance in your wallet, in your IFR wallet, it will take it out of the wallet first. So here is going to take out $47 out of my wallet balance. I agree that $47 will be deducted from my wallet. If your wallet doesn't have enough in there to cover the fees, well then it'll link automatically to PayPal, and then it'll debit it from your PayPal account or a credit card, debit card that you're using in conjunction with PayPal. So I click on yes. Okay, so thank you for your order. Thank you to add a broker account. Your account will be adjusted on the weekend when the market is closed, so it'll be ready for trading on Monday. Okay, so all adjustments are done on the weekend when the market is closed. So if I go back to my dashboard now, go back to the Aussie dollar, scroll down, and we can see now that Trader's Way is pending. It is pending because it hasn't been set up in the trading platform as yet. Okay, so that will get set up there, and when it has been set up, ready for trading for Monday, right, well then, instead of pending, you'll then have this drop down instead. Okay, so that's how we set up, how we add a broker. So you do that with however many currency pairs that you wish to trade. So now what are we going to do if we want to increase or decrease our lot sizes? Well, everything is managed within the currency pair because they are all separate accounts. Okay, so let's go back to the Aussie dollar again, and let's say we want to increase the Aussie dollar for our IC markets account that we have in there. So we come over here to the actions and look at the options we got here. We can increase our lot size, we can decrease our lot size, or we can remove a broker. Now, why would we remove a broker? Well, sometimes we can find that some brokers are returning a lot more than another broker, and then you decide that you're not going to trade with that broker anymore. Well, then you select remove broker to delete them out of the system. Now, let me just show you that quickly. Remove broker. Okay, I agree for you to remove this broker from my account, and read the details that it says in there. Now, this is important because this has come up with a few times with people that have removed their broker. All right, it's $47 to remove the broker. Now, whether we add an MT4 to your account or we remove the MT4 from your account, we have the same amount of work to do. It's got to be installed or uninstalled on our dedicated Forex servers. So there's a lot of work to be done with that, as well as synchronizing everything with the billing system, as well as taking out of the signal copier system that sends the signal to your account, and so on. So that's why there is a charge for removing a broker. Before, it was $97 to add a broker to set up the account and set everything up for you. We've now reduced that for you down to only $47. So either add or remove is going to be $47. Now we proceed to checkout, and it will then come up with your wallet if you have enough in your wallet, or it'll go through to PayPal. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to remove this broker from this account at this stage. So we come back on here and go back to what I initially said. What I wanted to do was to increase my lot size. So to increase it, we simply click on that. Okay. Now we've got a warning about increasing your lot size and the risk and so forth on there. You can read through all that. How much do I want to increase this by? Well, I want to trade with an extra $2,000, so I'm increasing it by 0.04 lots. So I click on continue. Okay, so that, total that you will be trading is 0.0 lots. Now, why is that? Well, I'm just placing an order right now for 0.04 lots. So there was already 0.04 lots with IC markets for the Aussie dollar. So adding the two together means there will be a total of 0.0 lots traded. So you need 8 times $500, or a total there of $4,000 in your trading account. I agree that I've already funded my account with $4,000. Now, that's not saying you have to add an extra $4,000. Let's go down the bottom here and look what we're doing again. We're adding 4 lots, so we need to add an extra $2,000 to our account. We already had 0.04 lots in there, so we need to have a total of 4,000 in our account. So I agree with that. Click on yes. Okay, to increase or decrease your lot size, is only $27. So that's been reduced as well. So we agree with all of these. Same question came up before about people were asking about, well, why do I have to pay to decrease my lot size? Well, again, there is the same amount of work that's required, manual work, to adjust your account to either increase your lot size or decrease it. So these fees have been adjusted extremely well. So it's only $27 to increase, whether you're increasing by 0.01 lots or a whole lot. It's just that flat fee because there's the same amount of work that's required to increase it. So yes, I'm agreeing with that. So I proceed to check out. Yes, I agree to have it coming out of my wallet. If I didn't have enough in my wallet, it will then come out of my PayPal account or the credit debit card that's attached to the PayPal. Click yes. Okay, thanking you for the order. Go back to our dashboard. Okay, now let's go to the Aussie dollar again and we have a look at the lots this time. So we've been looking at the broker account here. All right, and on the right hand side, if I wanted to reduce my lot size, I'd do exactly the same thing I just did then for the increase, but I do that to reduce it. I'll show you that quickly. Okay, so now it's decreasing the lot size. How many do I want to decrease by? Decrease by 2. Okay, and it's going to be $27 to decrease my lot size. I'm not going to proceed with that. So if I go here to the lots tab, so remember I'm in here under the Aussie dollar, the AUD, USD, AUD, actually that's the wrong way around, it's the AUD, USD control panel. We can see a button here with how-tos. Click on that button and then you'll see the videos teaching you all of these steps that I'm showing you here now. So if I go to lots, now we can see all the different lots that are traded for the Aussie dollar. We can see here several that we've done here, several orders for IC Markets, another one for Zorro, one for Secret Broker and Traders Way. So you could be trading the Aussie dollar with several different brokers if you wanted to. Remembering again that you have to add a broker for each currency pair that you want to trade because every one is a separate MT4. So here, even though there are 3 IC Markets orders, all right, we've got 1, 4, and the new 4 is 8. Remember before it was showing that there was 8. So that's 8 out of the 1 account. We can see here, that's just a dummy number that's in here, of course, right? But it's all the same account. So what you've got there is 1, 2, 3, 4 different MT4s all set up trading the Aussie dollar, all different lot sizes. Now, if we look on the right-hand side here, we'll see approved. Approved means, well, they're now trading, right? And pending is waiting for this to be completed in the system to be ready for the following week's trading. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's showing you how simple it is to operate the new control panel, the new members area for 2.0. Again, we just click on the currency pair. If we want to trade the Canadian dollar, I then click on that. Scroll down here, we can see that I have Traders Way activated in here. So I can increase or decrease my lot sizes. I can remove Traders Way and add IC Markets if I wanted to. I come across here to my lots and then I can see the different lots that I've got happening in here. And we can see cancelled, so they're ones that have been removed from the system in there as well. And that's about it. So anyway, hold tight, keep yourself motivated. I hope this excites you. I hope you like what you're seeing here. That shows you how simple it is to manage your trading by selecting which currency pair or which currency pairs that you wish to be trading with. So keep an eye on your emails, keep an eye on the Facebook group, etc. for more updates shortly.